Hey everyone, so we're writing our letter home today. This is version 1. If your letter home does not look like this, you can watch the other video, which is the second version. So let's see. Let's cut out the word or the word cards at the bottom of the page. The ones that we have today are best, Phoenix Fish Wraps, golf, try, Amy Bocker-Steady's foundation, and Phoenix, Arizona. So we are going to put these words cut them out and glue them to our spaces here. So let's start with our dear. Who are we writing a letter home to? We're going to be talking about what we read this week. I'm going to just put Dear Mom. That's who we usually like to write to. This week, the title of the newspaper was, now let's see. I'm going to scroll up a little bit so we can see all our options. What was the title of the newspaper? So you can take out or refer back to your article, your webbing page, and your vocabulary page. And those 3 pages will help you answer some of these spaces. So if we look at our article, we can find, what was the title of the newspaper? Was it Best, Phoenix Fish Wraps, Golf, Try, Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation, or Phoenix, Arizona? So the title of the newspaper was Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation. I learned about a place called. Now, what was this place called that we learned? Which one is a place, a where? Was it Best, Phoenix Fish Wraps, Golf, Try, Foundation, or Phoenix, Arizona? If we look on our webbing page and we look under where, it should tell us the answer. We learned about a place called Phoenix, Arizona. That Phoenix is a city that is in the state of Arizona, and that is where Amy Bocker-Steady is from. I had fun making a new recipe called, and so we didn't make this, unfortunately, without our cooking class, but the recipe for this article was the Phoenix Fish Wraps. I learned 4 new words, so we're going to put our 4 new words into our sections. So one of our words was best. And remember, best means to make an excellent effort. So you're doing everything you can to do a good job. Our next word is golf. Golf is an outdoor sport golf is an outdoor sport that we use a club to hit a small ball into a hole. Amy Bocker-Steady was very good at golf. Our next word is try. Try is when you make an attempt to do something. So as we see here, he is pushing this ball. Even though this ball is very big, he might not be able to get very far, but he's going to make an effort. We're going to try it. Our last one is foundation. Foundation is when a group of people come together and they want to find ways to help other people. My favorite part of the paper was the story, recipe, or joke. And as always, we're going to pick story because we weren't able to do the recipe or read the joke this week. So let's read our letter. And then we have from your name. Now, let us look at this. We have, Dear Mom, this week the title of the newspaper was Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation. I learned about a place called Phoenix, Arizona. I had fun making a new recipe called Phoenix Fish Wraps. I learned 4 new words. Best, golf, try, foundation. My favorite part of the paper was the story. From your name.